Hi everybody, and welcome back to another screencast of Total OS Today. Well, for this I thought I would just take a quick review and take a look at a new desktop by Lenovo. It is the Lenovo Ideacentre H405. This is the default desktop wallpaper. I just made a few modifications, changed the color of the taskbar and downloaded a few programs on it. But let's take a look at the highlighted specifications of this particular desktop. It is the Lenovo Ideacentre model H405. In parentheses, it is the 7723-1 FU. No, not FU for me, but that's just the catalog number of it. Okay, it is a dual-core processor, Athlon, the 255 processor, running at 3.1 gigahertz. I probably should start this over. I'll continue it. Screw it. 64-bit dual-core processor. The cache per processor is 2 megabytes L2 cache, 3 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, 500 gigabyte hard drive. Of course, the optical drive is DVD plus or minus RW. Graphics is the ATI Radeon 3000. It does have Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit. Let's see, scrolling on down, it has two slots of the RAM for the RAM chips, one 2 gigabyte slot and 1 gigabyte one. Memory slots are a total of 2, and the maximum memory supported is 8 gigabytes. Hard drive is 500 gigabytes. Let's scroll on down. The audio chipset is the Realtek ALC662. It does have HD audio support, communications, of course, the LAN chipset for your high-speed access. The front ports are 2 front USBs, front audio ports for a microphone and headset. Card reader, yes, it has in the front a 6-in-1 card reader, which is pretty handy. And the back panel ports are your keyboard, USB, mouse, stuff like that. VGA, the 4 USB ports in the back, RJ45, microphone line in, out. The one thing this does have, which is pretty nice, it does have an HDMI port in the back, which I'm running now, and it looks excellent. Okay, the warranty, 1 year parts, 1 year parts and labor is a limited warranty for 1 year. The keyboard is a standard keyboard wired with some hotkeys, and it is a standard wired optical mouse. But let's take a look at the LVT hotkey on the keyboard, which is in orange. Let me push that. This is the Lenovo Vantage Technology Start Center, Application Experience Center, System Maintenance Center, Help Center. So let's highlight the Application Experience Center. Lenovo Ideacentre System. Now, if I had a Lenovo camera, this would work. It does have the software installed, but I do not have the camera. Now, what this does, I'll just click About. Lenovo Ideacentre System can automatically detect the distance between you and the display. It will alert you automatically when you sit too close to the display. You can also set viewing distance as well as the time interval beyond which some warning will pop up. That's nice, I guess. Let me get out of this. I'll highlight that. Let's go back to the Lenovo Dynamic Brightness System. Again, if we had the camera, this would adjust the brightness, screen brightness, time delay setting, auto switch display. If I click About, the Lenovo Dynamic Brightness System can automatically detect the ambient brightness around and will adjust display brightness accordingly. You can set the screen brightness in different environments to a comfortable level. When you are away, the software could automatically turn off your display. I've seen this automatic brightness adjustments also in some new high definition TV sets also. And the last thing on this would be the Power2Go multimedia player software. On the System Maintenance Center, we have one key recovery, driver application installation. Let me click one key recovery. By pressing F2 on the keyboard during the starting process, users can enter the Lenovo Rescue System and then choose one key recovery. Very nice, very user-friendly. Driver and application installation. Highlighting the left, it says automatic driver installation. This function allows for full automatic installation of drivers within the service partition. Okay. Highlighting the right, I have a nice picture of the globe here. Bundled software installation. This function allows for installation of application software within the service partition. This software here, very user-friendly, and you can use this in addition to the system restore function, which is also available, of course, in Windows XP and Windows 7. I'm showing you this because if you are new to computers, or even if you are experienced, having application software like this can make it very easy to restore your computer to a previous state. If somehow you got hit with a virus, a very nasty virus, and somehow your system got corrupted. Let me get out of this. The last thing would be the Help Center, introducing LVT. Thank you for choosing Lenovo Consumer Desktop PC with Lenovo Vantage technology. Briefly, it says Lenovo will continue to analyze a user's experience in order to fully meet the user's expectation on outstanding quality. LVT is based on a brand new application technology. It is designed as a core application platform for users of consumer desktop PC. I won't read the rest, but I'm a big fan of the IBM Lenovo ThinkPad laptops, solid performers. I've been using them for years. Okay, let me get out of this. Do you want LVT to start up the next time the system starts? Not at this time. I'll click no. Let me highlight one more thing here. The Lenovo Rescue System, and click yes. If I highlight here, this is Lenovo Rescue System 3.0. If I highlight left system backup, back up your system partition to an image file. In case of a system failure, you can restore your system from this image file. The middle is system recovery. System recovery, reboot your computer to the system recovery environment. You can choose to restore to a system backup point or the initial state. The last thing here is very important if you are new to computers or don't know much. Create recovery disks or disk. Create a bootable recovery disk from system backup or factory default image file. These recovery disks are used to boot your computer and will guide you through the entire restoration process. Let me just click that. It is recommended that you close all open Windows applications. Click OK. Simple three-step process. Step 1, create recovery disk. Recovery disk with current condition. Click Next. This is highlighting my DVD recordable drive. Right now I don't have any blank discs inserted, but if I did, this would show up, and it says here, please insert a recordable or rewritable disc. Discs required. It looks like 5 DVDs. Now I have installed some software after I got this, but the initial, if I was doing creating these discs from right out of the box, I believe it originally required just 3, but in its current condition it is 5. You will click Next, and of course, and this is correct, the selected drive is not ready or there is no disk in the drive. I highly recommend that you do this so you have some kind of tangible or DVD backup system in case something happens. Click Return. You can go back to the main screen. Let me get out of this. Let's see what else I wanted to show you. Oh, what I wanted to say is, out of the box, you do get a few books. One is a very nice user-friendly guide, a short guide about your new IBM Center desktop. There is a Lenovo H4 series hardware replacement guide. I'm just looking at these now. Let's see what else we have here. There is a safety and warranty guide book. Yes, you should always wear your seatbelt and never text while you're working on your computer. And there is also a CD disc, a Lenovo driver's pack, version 1 point something. It's in the sleeve. I can't read it. For consumer desktops. Very handy to have in case you ever have to use it. Let's see. Well, I think that's it. I just wanted to highlight this new, very user-friendly Lenovo Center H series, H4 series, H405. If you are shopping for a computer, this should be first on your list. This was prices can vary, but this was less than $400 US dollars, including tax. Runs terrific, easier to use, lots of user-friendly features, highly recommended. All right, guys, well, that's it. Thank you for watching this edition of Total OS today. Please don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, and share with your friends. And as always, I will catch you sometime in the future. Thank you.